everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with a little tiny tutorial really. I recently did a class with Jo Rice using the Lavinia Stamps and stuff that she came to our craft group, and one of the projects we did was doing the bookmark, and this was the bookmark we actually did in class. And I decorated up the back and she showed us how to do these, and we was using brushes and stuff like that. So I ended up going buying some more of these bookmark sleeves from the Lavinia store because I really enjoyed doing it and I wanted to make more. I have kind of become a bit of obsessed with making them. So I thought I'd do a video me showing you one of the processes of one of the bookmarks I've done. But these are the ones I've done so far. So that one we just showed, which we did in class, and then this was my second one I did at home. And again then just decorated the background there as well. And then this one didn't turn out as well as I expected, but because I ended up double stamping on here, but I think I've managed to rescue it, although both people in my household have asked what animal is this, and I said it's a hare, but they just saying the black blob they said, but maybe that's just me going too dark or something, I don't know. So I really wanted to do a mermaid themed bookmark for my daughter. Her favourite colour is lilacs and pinks. And she also likes turquoises as well, so that's where I got the colourway with these. And I also used the jelly roll pens to colour in the mermaid, hair and scales and stuff like that. So I'm really pleased with how that one turned out, and I really like the back. I've fallen in love with this Believe stamp as well. These two are what I've made this morning, and they are still drying because I've used the eye, but I've also put glossy accents. Now on this one I just did the one eye, and I've decorated it at the back with the stencils going into an ombre, and I've used the brushes, and I've also used the micro minerals. I just don't know if the camera would pick that up there. Hopefully you can just about see it. And I thought about the eye because you're reading, so I did actually try to attempt to do the eye reverse stamping because I really wanted an eye here and an eye there, so like it would have been this way, the bookmark, but I thought that would have been a really good idea, but unfortunately I think there was just too much detail on this at the eye for it to transfer. It just wouldn't work for me. If anyone's got any hints and tips on how to do that, then grand. So that one's that one. And then this one was just actually my practice of the eyes. I wasn't actually going to do it as a bookmark, but I actually enjoyed what it turned out like, just the positioning of the eyes and stuff. So as you can see, we've still got like all the glossy accents, it's still drying, and I also did eyes on the back, so it was a full eye bookmark really, and I really can't wait to see what it looks like dried. The only concern is with these is will it go in the bookmark case, the cover like the sleeve, because obviously the glossy accents is slightly raised, and these actually basically are quite tight to get in, so I may need to trim it down a tad. And the size of these bookmarks are 5.5 centimetres by 21 centimetres. But for this tutorial I'm not going to sit here talking my way through it. I'm literally just going to do it, and I'll just put some music on so you can watch it. So I shall catch you in a minute. the bookmark completed, all I need to do is pop it into one of these sleeves, which I will do later just because it will reflect on the camera too much. So yeah, I'm actually really pleased on how this one turned out, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I've definitely enjoyed making these bookmarks, and I feel like I've got a bit of an obsession going on, but hey ho. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.